Hey everyone, Michael Sherry with Paul Sherry Ram, and today I'm excited to show you an all-new commercial truck. This is a Ram 5500 with a Knapheide service body on it. So let's take a look. This Ram 5500 is equipped with the diesel engine, 6-speed transmission, 4-wheel drive. It is the 197-inch wheelbase, which is the largest truck chassis. 84 inches from the back of the cab to the rear axle. All right, let's start with the service body here. This is a Knapheide service body. This body is Galvannealed steel. What Galvannealed steel is, it's like galvanized steel, but it's stronger. They heat it up even hotter, and that allows for the paint finish to adhere a lot better and smoother. Speaking of paint finish, this is a 6-stage paint process on here. They paint both sides of the metal, not just the side that's showing. The metal itself is a 14 gauge metal on the service body. The doors are a 20 gauge and they're double walled. Industrial grade locking latches here. They are electronic locking. I'll show you that once we get inside. The door themselves, again, double walled. If I would try to pry on it, it's a very stout door, very strong. Assisted in opening and also keeping this door closed is the spring here. So not only does it keep it open and keep it from flying around in the wind, but also it provides pressure to keep it closed as well. Shelving in here is galvanized steel, rated up to hold up to 250 pounds. And they're adjustable. You can see the different ledges there you can adjust them up to. Fold out compartment here. This can work as a table. Fuel fill right here. Commercial grade tires, dual axles on this, of course. The lighting in this is going to be protected, your tail lights, so you won't have any issues there. If you're stuff in that compartment, it won't damage that light. It is protected. Class 5-inch receiver, that's the 2.5 inch. Looks like max towing of 20,000 pound for this hitch, or 2,000 pound tongue weight. Comes with wiring, both 7-pin and your 4-flat right there. It is already equipped with the backup monitor that's hooked into your 5-inch display inside. LED taillights, slam latch door right here. Nice steel floor. The floor on these is a little different than the Knapheides. They wrap them up underneath. That prohibits that rust seam where water will sit on the seam, because the seam's all the way up in here. Kind of like how they do showers with the tub surrounds. So, coming from the RV industry myself, and I'm familiar with that. That's what it reminded me of. So I want to show you this with all the doors shut. Nice and slick looking. This is a crew cab. Has the work grade vinyl in it. So it's gonna really stand all conditions. The flooring in this is all one-piece rubber. You can literally hose this out. A lot of room back here for the crew. You can seat 6 in this. It's got the chrome appearance package, which gives you the chrome bumper and surround around the grill. The grill, this does have the shutters in there, the electronic shutters to close off that engine compartment to allow it to heat up to temperature appropriately, and they open and close automatically. Again, powered by the 6.7 liter Cummins engine. I know almost all transporters use this chassis, the Ram chassis with the Cummins. It's very reliable and very efficient. Has the longest interchange and oil changes too, so less time in the shop. Really makes it nice here. So, yep. Window sticker here. Really an all-around awesome truck. So 52-gallon fuel tank, so less time at the fuel pump, more time on the job. Show you some features in here. It's got the power windows, power locks, adjustable mirrors, tow mirrors, so those mirrors will flip out if you're towing a trailer, just so you can see around it. Automatic headlights. Cruise control on the steering wheel here, hands-free connectivity as well, so you can talk on your phone hands-free, which is always nice, and really a joy to talk to the car audio system. That's how I find myself talking on my phone most of the time. 4-wheel drive control down here. There's 2 USB, 2 USB-Cs, and an auxiliary port. Comes with the trailer tow brake, electronic brake controller right here, built from the factory. So if you're towing a trailer, it's got electronic brakes. This is going to work it. It's got your engine brake. It's got multiple exhaust or auxiliary inputs here. Has the PTO coming out of the transfer case if you need to use that for hydraulics or anything like that. Also has the compartment lights already hooked up to auxiliary 1. 5-inch radio. Again, has the backup camera in it. I just clicked it in reverse, so that's nice that it integrates in with this service body. The Knapheide service body itself comes with a 6-year warranty. And yeah. If you think this truck might work for you and your team, give us a call. I'll post a link below how to contact us. You can always email in as well. I'll also post a link below with current pricing and photos of this vehicle. As always, we here at Sherry Ram, we strive to make these vehicles as ready for you as possible. That's why we already put the bed on them, so they're ready to go. If you would maybe want a different bed or something like that, we do have some raw chassis around here as well. If you want to put a dump bed or anything like that on it, we can assist you in that. We do offer financing for the whole package, not just for the truck or for the utility body. So as always, my name's Mike here at Sherry Ram, and give us a call if you have any questions. We have professionals here on staff that know the commercial industry really well. There's many incentives out there that you might qualify for, and we'll dig down deep and make sure you get all the incentives that are available. So we hope to hear from you soon, and we hope to see this out at the work site.